Hey, Merry Christmas, everybody. I was shopping for Christmas presents for my brother, and I figured I'd get him a pair of shoes. We've been playing basketball recently. He doesn't have a pair of basketball shoes, so I figured I'd go down that route. They ship, they get here, I think nothing of it. And then it hit me. I was like, hey, I should paint these for him, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna base them off his favorite player, LeBron James. I won't be the first to make a LeBron James custom shoe, and I definitely won't be the last. I'm gonna try my best to put my own spin on it and surprise him with them on Christmas morning. Okay, so here's a little unboxing. Today I'm gonna be painting the Nike Precision 6 basketball shoes for my brother. They're a cool little pair of shoes. I like the design on them. They're super clean. Honestly, they kind of look like Kyrie's. So kind of a scummy move by Nike because I feel like they just kind of bit the design. I'm going to start off with this deep wine crimson red, harkening back to LeBron's Cavalier days, or even his most recent historic Cavalier days, where he brought a championship to Cleveland in a historic 3-1 comeback.
Come on now.
He's at the park right now. He's out there playing around, DB.
Well, click, click, get ready for your Kodak moment.
Korver off the hand of LeBron, who picked up the loose ball behind the back. Just like a foul again. He split through two Philadelphia players behind the back with the dribble.
And it goes through Thompson's legs. Look at that. It goes through Thompson's legs.
I'm going to put in a bright red to commemorate his days on the Heat, when some people say LeBron was in his prime, won a couple championships with Dwayne Wade. They were an insane duo. So I got to respect it. Got to add in the Heat colors.
Do you send multiple players at LeBron? Down to 5, down to 3.
Make somebody else beat you.
A 3 on the way. He got it!
Make somebody else beat you. Take the ball out of his hands.
Fly in the skies and wham and jam.
Exactly where his teammate was. He made the steal and the pass all in one motion.
Here's that so far. I like the red, both of them. And I'm going to go in and put in the classic Lakers goldish mustard color on the tongue area of the shoe.
To be able to do this, rebound, coast to coast. I mean, and he's driving past.
Down by 3, they can tie the game. With 7, with 6, and here's LeBron. LeBron for the tie. He got it! Stepped out of bounds! LeBron James gets around him. LeBron all the way. LeBron slammed dunk! Throw it down!
I've kind of got it with a splotchy design, which I think ended up looking decent. It kind of just wraps around the whole shoe. That's that right there. I'm already liking this. I think it's pretty clean so far. And then the very last part of the shoe is this purple outline I'm adding to it, so I can get the full Lakers theme going. And it's just gonna be kind of like this wobbly purple and yellow design here. I don't know kind of what to say about it. It kind of looks like a cloud, I guess. And just like that, the shoe is finished. Here's what we got. We got LeBron calves on the bottom here, and on this section, you know, it's that wine red right there. And then from his Heat days, we got the bright red that wraps around this back portion and on the check. And then classic Lakers yellow gold on the front of the shoe, and it's outlined with that classic Lakers purple as well. So here's what we got. Nothing too crazy. I wanted to keep it tasteful, simple, something that, you know, might not even come to mind that this is LeBron, you know. Just a good looking shoe, something he can play in, hopefully, and the paint won't come off or crack or anything like that. Last thing to do, wrap it up in a present, put it under the tree, and then surprise him with it on Christmas Day and get his reaction. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Wait, whoa.
Yeah.
Are these basketball shoes?
Yeah. Wait. Look at the colors. Every team LeBron's been on. Yeah, I painted them.
Thank you.
Do you say Merry Christmas, Rufus?
Merry Christmas, Rufus.
Can you say subscribe?
Subscribe.